Alright everybody, I know this is kind of a little different video than I've done in a long time. I'm actually doing a Mac video, not a PC or a Chrome or even a guitar video. I'm doing a MacBook video, and I wanted to show you guys, you know, I'm not upgrading the RAM or the actual new battery I just got. I'm showing you guys taking out the CD-ROM rewrite DVD, because I didn't know they wanted to call it rewrite, because Apple's so innovative. So now I'm gonna get flack for talking crap about Apple, because all you fanboys and fangirls out there, or whatever you want to call yourselves, I don't know what the movement is for Apple fans and whatnot, but yeah. Because I'm using this for all my recording and all that fun stuff, and I guess you can say networking, I wanted to upgrade it because this little bad boy just isn't working out for me. So I wanted to show everybody just how to take this apart, and because I guess the Unibody, because that's what this is, a 2009 to 2010, but this model is a 2010 Unibody, and you can get it in all the pretty awesome colors. I got it in awesome green to match everything that I pretty much do, and green is my favorite colors. You can tell by all my guitars and gear I have. You can this is like the only one you can pretty much upgrade without Apple going, the products spazzing out on you and the chips not reading it and whatnot. But you just all this, I'll take all the little mini screws apart. You take this out. This little piece right here, you're gonna want to save, and then it'll come out. This little piece, you just yank it out. I mean, don't wham, but you want to save it in a bag. Like you notice, like you can save it in like one of these like little screw bags. I had mine in like a Ziploc, like an old sandwich bag, like 90s, 80s, 90s kid style. Because I put it in a sandwich bag with this, along with, I have tons of these mini screwdrivers. It's like companies love sending them to you, but always save them because you never know when you're going to need them. They're not magnetized or anything, so yeah, never put magnetized anything in with your hardware. Especially data hardware, because it'll erase it immediately and it's instantly damaged, and you cannot recover any of that data. So you plug that back in, and then you're gonna want to plug it into there, and then that's how it's like pretty much your plug and play. Then you're just gonna, all the screws you saved, I'm just gonna screw them in there. I'm trying to get the best angles for everybody, so it's just simple, because I'm not gonna screw it together. I'm making this one video, and then all the screws you saved. Really do apologize for the lighting, everybody. And, just put it in there. Bolts are all back in. Then, you just load it up. Get it recognized. Get it, all that fun stuff. And then go from there. And, next thing you know, you got yourself, boom, a better 2010 or 2009 MacBook. And
1 hour later.
And see, you didn't even have to use any screwdrivers actually. You just had to lift up the sound strip and make sure everything went into place, and it's all secured by gravity. I will give this to Mac. They are inventive when it comes to that, but there's a downside to their inventative. Yes, air quotes. I do that a lot. You will notice that, and yes, I'm sure one day there will be memes about it, and I think that's awesome. But there you go. Dump this. Get this, and there's a huge difference And no, don't think because you drop this there'll be a cooling difference, because I tested that out. There's nothing. You just get a massive pocket that builds up heat, and yeah. So I mean, you could possibly try to put another blower style cooler, because that's all that is, and those are crap if you ask me, unless you have 4 inside something like this. But there'll always be a debate about logic style boards. I think, yeah, well, we'll get inside that. But once again, thanks for dropping by, giving us a try, and there'll be more about Mac, but I know this was something different. I just wanted to throw you guys off because that's just what I do. But I hope this is somewhat informative for everyone that does Macs and stuff like that. And I just want to do something different tonight and throw you guys off, like I said. Hope this is informative.